This is a visual video of a fence with a gate. I've added hinges on the side and the 3 count, and then I've made a little lock to lock the gate. And then as you can see, I've created a little fence that goes around the garden. And I also cut out the top to give it a unique shape. Now, I'm putting it up against the rest of the parts that it's going to be connected to so that you can see how cute it's going to be. So you have this square house, and now you have this cute little gated fence area. As you can see here, I've added tons of little flowers all over the gate. And I did a little trail of pink to make it look like a vine, as it would if you had a garden going over the arbor of your gate. So I put flowers. And then I just did the gate in a light brown and white tone. I wasn't sure how I wanted to make the gate look, but I think it turned out okay. I'm not sure. We'll have to practice on the gate. But I wanted you to see the cute hinges and the gate and the neat little fence with the flowers. Now, as you can see here, I'm going to put it up against the other half of the house, where you can see the house, the garden, and then the green is the grass, and then the blue is the sky. I think it turned out pretty cute. I'm really excited about it. So I just wanted to show you a different way to do your flowers. I'm grateful that you're here. I'm thankful that you're here. I hope that I inspire you to create beautiful creations with plastic canvas. Thank you and have a wonderful day.